Okay guys, I'm back with another video guys. On this video I'm gonna be looking at CAD on Usdcad. Okay, so on Usdcad we are not gonna be looking for a lot of things, but it's gonna be easy. Okay, so we can see here on the weekly time frame we are, or I can say we have already swept above this liquidity here, okay, or above that previous high here. Okay, so let's see if this is okay. This is not straight. Must make sure that my line is straight all the time. Okay, so we have already traded above or sweep above that liquidity with this move here. Okay, you can see with that candlestick there, we broke above this liquidity here. So which means that now we have a strong resistance there, because we swept above it but failed to close above it. So it's not surprising that we see the card moving all the way down. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove that, and then we're gonna go deep and look at what can be the possibility of the next movement. So we're gonna go and mark this low. Already we've marked the high, so let's mark the low. So this is our low that we have on Usdcad. Okay, this is our low that we have on Usdcad. So this is the next possible low that we might be testing. So remember guys, I'm still a trend line trader. I still use trend line all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna draw my trends right there. Okay, so we have this support trend in here. We have the support trend there. Okay, so beside what we have as the support, we can see that from here the market has been trading going up on Usdcad. Okay, we can see that it has been breaking up ever since then. Okay, we broke here, we broke above here, and then we see the market pushing up. We broke this area here. Okay, you can see this was once a high that we created, that we broke it around here. Okay, so we can see the same thing on and on. Okay, because if we took this and we put this here, we can see that we yet came and broke above here. This was once a strong resistance. Touch there, we go down, close, we go down, touch, go down, touch, and then we go down, we touch the support, we went for a break. Okay, so which means that we're gonna be looking at this area here now. Okay, so what I will do first, we'll take my Fibonacci and measure from this to this high here. Okay, then I can see I have my 78% there, which I'm gonna take my rectangle and just highlight that area there. Then I'm gonna remove my Fibonacci. Okay, so here there are two possibilities that we might be looking for on Usdcad. First, we can see that from here the market changed when we break this low here, went up, we came back, we break the low here. Okay, so this is not just a low to me now that we broke. Okay, it was once a support, and then since we broke it, it's a resistance. Okay, once a support broken, it becomes a resistance. Okay, so let's go to a daily time frame. I want to show you something. Okay, so now there's a possibility of testing this area here, because you can see, okay, once a resistance broke above, is now a support. We can come and test on it, then go up there. Okay, so what we might be expecting to see is either we can just go up now and test that area, then come down there. Okay, which might just lead us going back up. Okay, or we might come and test, then test this area, then we break, and then we retest here, and then we can be heading all the way down. Because remember guys, trading is not predictive, it's reactive. Okay, so if you take all the fundamental aspect that you have, the data that you have, you combine it with your price action, you can give yourself enough, or you can get yourself enough data that you can use into your trading plan. Okay, so let's carry on guys. So there's a high possibility of trading of testing this area back here, which was once a support, now acting as a resistance. okay, or we might be testing this nearby. Okay, we might be testing this nearby resistance there on Usdcad. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, okay, so 4 hours, this is how we're looking. So it means that we're gonna be looking for any zone which can be possible. So we can see we have the 4 hours FVG here. Okay, if we highlight there, you can see we have an FVG inside there. Okay, we have an FVG inside there, and then we're gonna have another FVG which is up here. Okay, so all those FVGs can be valid. Okay, they can all be valid, but I'm gonna trust the upper one where we have this doji, but we still have another doji here, but I'm loving this doji up here where we can see the market violating or mitigating this order block, and then we push all the way down again. So it means that now, for now, we're gonna be looking for a buying opportunity when we break above this resistance that we created here. Okay, you're gonna see that it's a resistance when we drop down to 1 hour. So on a 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have this resistance that we created here, then we push down. So when we break above it, you can buy the retest of it, okay, and target either one of these area here. Okay, you're gonna target one of these areas here, and we can see that the FVG on 1 hour, which is the upper one, it's a bit bigger on 1 hour, which means that that's where we are gonna be looking at. Okay, that's the area we're gonna be looking at. So even here you can see it's still there, but it's smaller here on 1 hour. Okay, so here what we're gonna be looking for is a break, and then we're gonna buy the retest of it, have our stop loss there, target either here or here. Okay, it's gonna based on how the market is gonna react when it reaches one of these two areas here. Okay, so that's what I see on Usdcad, guys. But the high possibility that I'm gonna be waiting for is that we are gonna see at least a continuous move all the way to the downside here after we reach the high there. Okay, so until next time, guys, it's your guy JD, and then I'm out. So if you look at your Fibonacci from up here all the way to down here, you can see that just above there, this fib, we have my 78%, which I believe that that's where we might be testing, and then we get ourselves from. Okay, so I will see you on the next video, guys. I'm out.